And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. Happy Monday, everybody! Happy Monday! Remember, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the three pillars. What are the three pillars? Pillar number one is the market, and we are trying to learn about the market with these modules on the left. Pillar number two is the strategy. We're trying to learn about the strategy in the advanced module. And the big one, it's called the trader. Talking about the trader more in the Forex course 202. Everybody, and today we are starting what it's called the Forex trading week. Okay? Remember, these webinars are not trading or investment advice, especially in the Forex trading week. What are we trying to do here? We are trying to implement what we have learned so far and try to make some pips, right? Daniel says like for from Santa Bella Catarina, great. Florianopolis, Brazil. Hello Daniel, how are you? And what the champion beginner traders say, everybody? Champion beginner traders say, I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And of course, this is a quote from Mark Douglas, everybody. And my own quote here on the left: when the market scares the hell out of you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. Okay, everybody? Remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. Okay, now for homeworks or questions, everybody, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView if you want. That being said, let's start, everybody. Daniel, AUD cat. So let's start, everybody. Tell me, type in the chat. Oh, this is my first time. What is happening in the Forex trading week, everybody? We are trading the market. Okay, on the demo account, we are trading the market. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week, we are going to trade the market and we are going to implement what we have learned so far. So it's market structure, highs and lows, trends, trend line, support, resistance, pivot points. Okay, everybody, type in the chat the currency pair that you want. Type in the chat the time frame and type in the chat, okay, the direction, long or short. Also type in the chat where do you want your stop loss, where do you want your take profit. Can you give us an example? Sure. It's just an example, everybody, right? Let's say that I am on AUD CAD 4-hour chart, right? I am on the 4-hour. Forget about the Fibonacci's, everybody. Don't bother, okay? Don't bother about the Fibonacci's. We are not there yet, okay? Don't bother. Now I can see that from the 4-hour chart, you know, the market broke my uptrend line. And talking about the market wave, I can see that on the 4-hour chart, you know, it's extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Okay, just an example. Yes sir. So we know, everybody, that sometimes we are going to wait, but we are talking about, okay, we want to make some pips and money right now. Okay, right now. So I can put in the chat, right? I'm going to put in the chat. Okay, so AUD CAD short 4-hour time frame, stop loss equals to the high, right? Stop loss equals to 0.9350. Okay, so I can put this in the chat. Hedge fund trader Alex, hedge fund trader Olufemi, hedge fund trader Lucas, Samantha, long or short on AUD CAD, everybody. And you can also put a different time frame, make sense? You can choose AUD long, daily, chart. Okay, everybody, make sense? There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. Let's make a poll, everybody. How many of you want to go long on AUD right now? How many of you want to go short on AUD right now? Remember, everybody, there is no right or wrong. You can go long, you can go short. Just be aware that you put the stop loss in the correct place. Forex trading week, everybody, or you can type in the chat, and this is your first time, you can type in the chat. If you are trading and your trading is not doing well, type in the chat your currency pair and your position. You know, I'm long, I'm short, whatever. Let's make a poll, everybody. How many of you are long on AUD right now? And how many of you are short? This is a great indicator, everybody. It's called Super Trend from JForex. Super Trend is a great indicator if you want to use it. Okay, how many of you are long? How many of you are short on AUD right now? Don't bother, yes, don't bother about the Fibonacci's. So here is the question, everybody. Should you be long or short right now on AUD? Yes, this is Portuguese. This is for Daniel. Mercado quebra muitas vezes Fibonacci no diário. There you go. Should you be long or short, everybody, right now on AUD? Do we agree, everybody, that the market was making on the daily, the market was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? And then the market broke the uptrend line, and now the market is still falling, right? Do we agree on that, everybody? Yes, okay, so this is the daily chart now. Yes, remember what makes money to the trader is what? The entry? Direction is this one. Yes, sir. You can go short right now, but pay attention because the market must retrace. One of the few certainties is that the market must retrace. And if we don't know where to put the correct stop loss, right, we can lose too. Etim says the market is still strong on short. Okay, hedge fund trader Etim, where do you want to put your stop loss, your take profit? Don't be shy, everybody, we don't bite. There is no right or wrong, we are here to learn. Okay? Forex Trading Week is designed for us to implement what we have learned so far in the market and to make sense. We need to learn why we are winning and we need to learn why we are losing. Make sense, everybody? So, Victor, you want to short the market? Type in the chat, please. Where is your stop loss? Where is your take profit? Daniel, it's you, Trader Daniel. Where do you want to go long or short? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Somebody's typing, oh, but I would not enter right now. Well, this is just an exercise, everybody. It's a demo account, right? But you want to implement what you have learned so far, so it's right now. No, there is no right or wrong. You can go long, you can go short. The stop loss is going to determine who is going to win and who is going to lose. Make sense, everybody? So AUD CAD short, 4 hour time frame, stop loss at 0.9350, just an example, and exit. So we are going to go here and entry, we are going to short the market. This is just an example, stop loss, not in points, but from price. Stop loss, what is the stop loss? I cannot see. The stop loss is 0.9350. Stop loss 0.9350, right? Submit. Submit order. Very good. Now we are in a trade. This is just an example, everybody. Okay. Risk reward ratio wise, take profit, must be 1 to 1.5. So if this is 1, I want to go after 2. After 2, clone, and there you go. Our take profit is going to be down in here, this pivot point somewhere 86,483, 86,483, 86,483, long or short, positions, order, distance, edit stop loss, positions, add take profit. 0.86 somewhere, right? Then we are going to, okay, there you go, we are going to 86 down here, right? A little bit down here somewhere. Okay. And one more, everybody, talking about trading. Do you know, everybody, ForexFactory.com? As a beginner trader, we need to pay attention to the news events. So Monday, Sunday it's over, Monday, this is red, but it's not relevant, because Governor McLean speaks, not relevant. Tuesday, and because we are on AUD CAD shorting the market, this one it's a relevant news for our trade, everybody. 10:30 p.m. Brazilian time, you have the Consumer Price Index quarterly report. Here again, quarterly report. This is the previous number, this is the projected number. So Australia, it's expecting that the Consumer Price Index is better. Okay? Forex course 101. We need to manage our positions, everybody. Makes sense? Wednesday, nothing. Thursday, Bank of Japan outlook report, but we have no date, no hour. 9:30 a.m. Brazilian time, advanced GDP quarterly. This is relevant news for the USD pairs. And Friday, then USD core price index is a monthly report, a little bit weaker. Okay, everybody. As a beginner trader, if you didn't use forexfactory.com/calendar, start to use this. Some of you, right? Some of us, right? We entered great trades and the market goes our way, everybody. The market goes our way. But then because we are not aware of the news announcement, the market is going to eat all of our profits. Make sense? Okay, moving forward, this was AUD CAD, AUD, which one? Canada JPY, just an example. Let's make a poll, everybody. Canada JPY, daily chart, long or short? Canada JPY, long or short? No, there is no right or wrong. Canada JPY, long or short, indicators out, we didn't learn yet, hit the extension, Fibonacci's out, we didn't learn yet the Fibonacci's. How would you trade, everybody, Canada JPY daily chart right now? Type in the chat, short or long. Can I wait? Somebody's asking, not on YouTube, on the other streaming platform. Can I wait? Well, no, we are going to enter right now. Trader Daniel, Trader Victor, long or short on Canada JPY daily chart. Trader Alex, Trader Samantha, Trader Lucas, Trader Olufemi, long or short on Canada JPY right now. And remember, stop loss. There is no right or wrong. You can, everybody, let's understand something, right? When it comes down to trading, you can go short, just an example, you can go short and you can put your stop loss above in here. At the same time, you can go long and you put your stop loss down in here, just an example. There is no right or wrong. Somebody's typing, what about the market wave? Well, let's check the chart. Let's check the chart. So Fibonacci out, we didn't learn the Fibonacci's yet, everybody. Are we in an extension? The yellow line, this is Canada JPY monthly chart. Are we in an extension or are we in a retracement? Trader Victor says short. Great, Victor, where would you put your stop loss and where would you put your take profit? Everybody, Canada JPY monthly chart, are we in an extension or are we in a retracement? Retracement, no sir. No sir, the market's making higher highs, higher lows. We've learned this in the previous lesson, how the market wave works, what is technical market structure. Monthly, it's still in an extension. You know, indicators out, we didn't learn yet, you know. Fibonacci out. Out, trend line stop, whoops. We have an uptrend line, right? Fibonacci is out and talking about high to low, low to high, high to low. Trader Victor shorting the market, very good. Where do you want your stop loss? Where do you want your take profit? Okay, freedom, help us. Everybody, remember one more thing. This is not advice, alright? This is not advice, okay? So, monthly slash, we didn't learn this, monthly slash weekly slash daily candles are tradable patterns. Brazilian token English. Monthly, weekly, daily candles are tradable patterns. Ramesh says long. Enter near previous low. On what time frame, Trader Ramesh? Okay, everybody. Monthly, weekly, and daily candles are tradable patterns. Now we didn't learn yet, but from the weekly candle, everybody, do we agree, we didn't learn yet, but do we agree that, some of you know this already, that this is a bearish candle, right? Everybody, do we agree that this is a bearish candle? It has a long tail on the upside and the price closed down in here. We didn't learn this, we are going to learn in the future. The market is up, 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 down, right? A few pips above the reversal candle. Great. Victor, what time frame are we talking about? Okay, so what is the formula, right? like a simple trading strategy. Everybody make sense? Like a simple. So monthly, weekly, daily candles are tradable patterns. I can choose, it's a choice. I can choose to short this candle, not the blue one, the white one. I can choose to short this candle. It's a choice based on my analysis, everybody. You need to practice, practice, practice. So I can short the market right now on the daily chart, on the 2-hour chart, on the 1-hour chart, whatever chart, you know, but what I'm really trading, what I'm shorting, what pattern am I shorting? I'm shorting this weekly candle. And rule. Oh, yes, but I don't want to hear yes, but this is a sacred rule. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. So I can choose to look at the weekly candle, just an example. I can choose to trade the weekly candle. Now this is a rule. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Stop loss up in here. And we learned about support, resistance, pivot points, and I can project the market to fall until this level down in here. Somebody is going to ask, well, why this level? Because we have two highs from the weekly, right? Most likely those are areas in the at the same price level. Not exactly, right? Those are areas, right? So this is a trade, everybody, that I can take. Make sense? Can you do this, everybody? Does this make sense? Somebody's asking, what about the 4-hour time frame? No. Great question. No. Talking about candles. Monthly, weekly, daily. The 1-hour candle, the 2-hour candle, the 4-hour candle, the 15-minute candle are not tradable patterns. Make sense, everybody? So I can choose like this. Now you don't know the high. You have heard Forex. It's a great platform, my opinion. You know, you have here, and you have what? Platform date, whatever, you know. And here you have the widget, everybody. Make sense? It's going to be, the countdown is going to be different based where you live, what is the time zone. Nonetheless, if we go with the mouse on the white candle, it's going to appear the high number. Well, this high number is our stop loss. Even better, a few pips above. So if the stop loss is 102.951, even better would be 103.100. So I can go to Canada JPY as a student of the markets, as a trader, as a student trader, and I can short the market, and my stop loss, we said, is going to be at weekly, right? What was here? Weekly, I don't remember anymore. So let's see the widget here. What was 103.100, 103.100, stop loss 103.100, 103, Canada JPY 103.100. Submit order on the demo account. Don't fool around with real money, everybody. Demo account first for 3 months. Everybody, is this too difficult? Can you do this? How to trade the market? Find tradable patterns on the 1-hour, 2-hour, 4-hour, monthly, weekly, daily chart and trade them. Everybody, is this doable? Can you do this? So Victor, you want to short the market. Where do you want your stop loss to be? Ramesh, you want to go long. Great. Where do you want your stop loss to be? And again, what time frame, right? What time frame? Somebody's typing on the other streaming platform, not YouTube. Oh, but I don't trade the weekly. Everybody, this was just an example. And tomorrow we are going to be back and we are going to see. Now, talking about this guy in here, talking about the trader, talking about this guy or this girl called the trader, here is the big question. I entered the market short. If the market stopped me out, did I do anything wrong? Type in the chat, everybody, yes or no. I'm shorting the market, I have my stop loss, I have my take profit. If the market stops me out, did I do anything wrong as a trader? Yes or no? No, there is no right or wrong. What do you think? Most of beginner traders, why are we having this conversation? Most of advanced beginner traders, you might be in the Forex course 101, in the intermediate module. Some of you are with me for a few years and you are still scared to enter the market. Ramesh says no. Victor says no. Exactly. I don't know how to say to you this, everybody. I don't know how to say this to you. If you are scared, and it's normal, you cannot make pips and money, make sense? Some of you are scared to trade on the demo account. You need to train your emotional mindset, for the lack of a better word. You need to train your emotions and don't get scared, because this is the reality of the markets. Do I have a bearish candle? Yes, I do. Is this a fact? Yes, it is. Shorting the market stopped me out. Did I do anything wrong? No. Remember, everybody, what we are trying to do every single time during the course, learning new stuff, it's learn what is called the probabilistic thinking. Probabilistic thinking. And don't be scared. Golden nugget for you, everybody. Lucky, yes, you are trading against the main trend. Lucky, we are mixing apples with bananas right now. Everybody, golden nugget for you today. Listen to me very carefully. Mark Douglas says, I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. Meaning, I'm not going to be nor happy nor sad because of one trade. Make sense, everybody? I'm not going to be nor happy nor sad based on one trade. And if you are happy or sad, if you are freaking out right now, golden nugget for you, you are over leveraging your account. You are risking too much money. Golden nugget for you, everybody. Talking about trading, some of you are scared. Enter with the risk, percentage wise, enter with the risk of $10. Enter with the risk of $100, on the bigger account. If the market goes up and stops me out, make sense? If the market stops me out, do I need to freak out with the $10 loser? Do I need to freak out with the 100? I mean the bigger account, right? Do I need to freak out with the $100 when I have, what, $100,000? No. Lucky says, yes, you are doing wrong because you are against the main trend. Lucky, you are correct, but you are mixing apples with bananas, everybody. Makes sense? I'm not trading the yellow one. Everybody, you need to learn this stuff. Separate patterns. If I would say, well, I'm trading the yellow line, then I would go along with Ramesh and I would put my stop loss, Lucky, down in here. Make sense? So yeah, the market is up, but I'm not trading the yellow line. I'm not trading the higher highs, higher lows. I'm trading this specific bearish candle. Make sense, everybody? Don't confuse the two. Some of you are scared, which is okay, it's normal, okay? But some of you are too scared. What does this mean? If you say, well, I'm going to wait for a retracement, you know, on the weekly, well, how are you going to buy your Ferrari? Make sense, everybody? You need to start to think, well, okay, this is the extension, and this is the weekly chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 2 months, right? And you might be thinking, everybody, well, I'm going to wait for the retracement, which is okay, and I'm going to wait for a counter trend line break on the retracement, which is okay, and I'm going to enter at the next counter trend line break, which is okay. Now here is the question: are you prepared to wait for the next month or two for the market to retrace before the market goes back up again? How the story changes, right? You are saying to yourself, everybody, oh, I want to be rich this year, I want to make money this year, I want to be a professional trader this year. But on the other side, you know, you are not willing to short the market in here. Just an example. This is not trading advice, everybody. Just an example. But you are scared to trade this retracement, and you are saying you might be saying to yourself, well, I'm going to wait for the retracement and I'm going to go long with the next counter trend line break. Nothing wrong in theory, but if you wait for 6 months on 23, 24 currency pairs, how are you going to have your Lambo? Fair enough, everybody? Oh, but freedom, but I'm scared. Well, welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. We are all scared in the beginning. But unfortunately, everybody, and also golden nugget for you, it's over trading. If you are scared, risk less. Another golden nugget, everybody. What is the specific of a professional trader? All professional traders in the beginning, they are beginners, you know, intermediate. They are trying to learn how to trade. They must have courage. Make sense, everybody? Somebody is asking, but I don't have courage. Well, ask for help. Find a trading partner, find a mentor, find a trading buddy who is going to motivate you. Make sense, everybody? No, nobody's saying that Lucky is wrong. Lucky, it's not wrong, everybody. But we need to address trading for what it is. What is the reality of trading? If you trade like this, if this would be the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, then it's okay, right? But if you trade like this on the monthly, weekly, and daily, how the heck are you going to get out of your job? Right? Some of you are crying to me on the emails, oh, I want to be a professional trader so much, I hate my job, you know, or I'm sick and tired of my job. This is why I changed my nickname, you know. Last year it was FX Passion, this year it's FX Freedom. And we are talking about you. You want to be free, right? We are talking about freedom, Forex freedom. Make sense, everybody? Some of you are crying, oh, I want to get out of the job. I hate my boss. I hate my job. It's cool, sure. Again, welcome to the club, but... And here we are telling you, you know, oh, I'm so scared on the demo account. What if I'm going to lose? Courage. This is the answer. Make sense, everybody? You cannot learn how to trade swimming. You know? Swimming pool. The sea. Oh, I want to learn how to swim. Well, you need to jump. Oh, but I'm scared. Well, you need to jump. How are you going to learn how to swim if you don't jump in the swimming pool? In the financial markets, it's exactly the same logic. Lucky says, I get you now, thank you, Freedom. Lucky, you are not wrong. Make sense? You are not wrong. Everything you said was correct. We just specified that we are not trading the yellow one, we are trading this candle. It's a different pattern. Victor is saying, I was always scared, but watching all the course 101 boosted my courage. I still watch again and again. Very good. Once you are over, everybody, if you want, right? If you want, once you are over the Forex course 101, if you want, ask for the Forex course 202. You know? What's the difference? Somebody asked one time, you know, Freedom, can I make pips and money with the Forex course 101? Answer, yes you can. Yes you can. But there is another question. Freedom, can I make consistent profits with 101? Then the answer is no. Make sense, everybody? With the Forex course 101, it's called the analyst course. You are learning about the market. You are learning about the concepts and the rules, how this market works. But to be able to make consistent profits, it's the institutional trader course called Forex course 202. This Forex course 101 has all to do about the market and the strategy. But as we are talking about today, we are discovering that we need to have courage. Courage is in the trader, not in the market, not in the strategy. You need to learn how institutional traders work. Traders from hedge funds, investment banks. Some, not all, but some, you have traders who are trading through brokers, broker traders. The institutional traders, they have a different training, different mindset. Make sense? So once you're over, everybody, or you know some, you have friends and family who are trying to be a trader for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, tell them, go to the Forex course 202. Learn the tools, you know, how this business really works. And congratulations to you, Victor. You know, watch over and over and over. 202 is not on the platform. Unfortunately, everybody, 202 is not for free. Okay, 202 is not for free. 202, it's an advanced course, it's an institutional course. Okay, it's not for free, you need to pay something. Okay, how much, it's debatable, it depends where you live. Okay, we are not charging the same way somebody who lives in the USA, Canada, or maybe Europe. Okay, it's a different cost if you're in Europe, Canada, USA, or if you're in Thailand or Philippines, Brazil too. Make sense, everybody? It's a different cost. Why? Because of the purchasing power, right? $200 might not be much for somebody who lives in the USA. But the same $200 is a monthly salary in Brazil, Thailand, Philippines too, if not 2 months salary. Make sense? Okay, everybody, after this beautiful sermon, another one, right? Which one? NZD, Canada, so Canadian, AUD, let's get out of the Canadian, NZD, USD, right? How would you trade, everybody, NZD, USD? Somebody's asking for Bitcoin. Okay, the last 5 minutes in the end. It's a Forex trading week, but okay. In the meantime, we are losing on AUD CAD short and we are winning some pips on Canada JPY. We're going to see this week how this is going to play out. Canada, so we addressed the weekly chart, we addressed the 4-hour chart, now let's address the daily chart, right? Indicator, super trend out, Fibonacci's out, we are not there yet, Fibonacci's out, the Fibonacci's out with the indicators. So we are here, everybody. NZD USD daily chart, long or short? Best practice, everybody, before you enter the market, best practice, zoom out the chart for you to see what is happening. Tell me, everybody, is the market making higher highs, higher lows, or is the market making lower lows, lower highs? Freedom, how do I get the 2-2 course? Connect with me. Send me a message on Skype or send me a message on Gmail, see? Lucky. Education, FXFreedom@gmail.com or Skype, everybody. We are not using necessarily Zoom. Why? Because the Skype, it records the lessons for 30 days. Everybody, is NZD USD before we trade Bitcoin? Everybody, NZD USD is making higher highs, higher lows, or is it making lower lows, lower highs? Ramesh, short. Very good. Do you want to short the market right now? High to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. Do you want to anybody wants to enter the market short right now? Freedom, I don't understand patterns. Okay, so one more time, everybody. You have the yellow line, right? You are seeing right now the transparent yellow line, right? So from the daily chart, this is called a downtrend. Downtrend. Lower low, lower low, lower highs. Very good. It's called a downtrend. Okay. Then you have something that is called a downtrend line. So downtrend is a tradable pattern, is the yellow one. You have the downtrend line. It's a tradable pattern if you want. Okay. And talking about the daily chart, you have the, not this one, not the most recent one, but you have the previous one as a reference, which is a daily bearish candle. Daily bearish candle. Previous, huh? Brazilian guy talking English. Previous. Okay, everybody? You have 3 different tradable patterns. Now somebody's asking which one, right? You need to choose. It's your choice. It's your choice, right? Victor, lower lows, lower highs. Yes, sir. Ramesh, wait until pullback. So some of you are waiting, right? Oh, I'm going to wait for a retracement, right? Nothing wrong, nothing wrong. Right? Yes, you need to choose, everybody. It's a choice, makes sense? You are here right now, all of us, we are looking at the same chart, and you are thinking, should I be shorting the downtrend? Should I be shorting the downtrend line, or should I be shorting the daily bearish candle? What's the difference? The part of the trading that makes money, it's the difference. What's the difference? The stop loss level. If you say, okay, I'm going to enter short right now, I'm going to enter short right now, and I'm going to short the daily bearish candle where this is your stop loss level. Red and like this and like this. If you say, well, I'm going to short the market at exactly the same price level as some other trader, but I'm shorting the downtrend line. Well, downtrend line is a tradable pattern. It has specific rules. So if this is the candle, my stop loss is going to be up in here. And if you say, oh, I am shorting the downtrend, the yellow one, then your stop loss goes above the relevant high. See how this works, everybody? You have 3 different tradable patterns on the monthly, weekly, you have more, and you need to choose. Make sense? Oh, but I don't know which one to choose. Well, money, how big is your account might be an answer. Otherwise, it's the probabilistic thinking between the daily bearish candle and the yellow line and the down trend line. Which one is more secure, more safer? Safer, makes sense, everybody? This is you jumping in the swimming pool. I cannot tell you what to do. Make sense? This is you when you decide, okay, I'm shorting the daily bearish candle. This is you jumping in the swimming pool. Congratulations to you. If you say, no, I'm going to short the downtrend line, congratulations. You just jumped into the swimming pool. You are learning. And again, if you are trading the daily bearish candle and the market stops you out, or if you are trading the downtrend line and the market stops you out, or if you are trading the downtrend and the market stops you out, did you do anything wrong as a trader? Oh, somebody's typing, oh, I'm getting it, congratulations. Is the daily bearish candle safer than the downtrend? Is the downtrend line safer than the downtrend? Everybody, answer. Those are 3 different patterns, make sense? Talking about distance to the stop loss, yes, but otherwise, those 3 are different patterns. Ramesh says, near trend line touching is best place to go short. There is no right or wrong, but it's a great strategy. Stop loss should be above the previous high. There is no right or wrong, but great strategy. Victor 2, right? Make sense, everybody? This is NZD USD daily chart. Now, talking about the market wave, right? The big market wave. Well, the big market wave, if we go the market structure, right? See everybody? Fibonacci out. Let's make a poll quickly before we talk about and check Bitcoin. Everybody, somebody asked Bitcoin. Do you understand why this market pushed down in here? Everybody. Some of you, it's all good, it's all normal, we are learning. Some of you said, well, it made a higher high, let's go long. And lost. There is talking about tradable patterns, there is a specific reason why this market is falling. Make sense? Technically speaking. Blackjack setup. No, we are not in poker. Out, Fibonacci out. Out. If you lost, everybody, because you went long on NZD USD 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, daily chart, this is the answer. Is the market wave down or is the market wave up? Relevant high, relevant low, relevant high, talking about the market wave. Fibonacci 50%, we are not there yet. Ramesh, we're going to learn about the Fibonacci in the future. We need to move forward, everybody. So this market pushed down because the market wave is down. Make sense? The market wave, relevant highs and lows, it's still making lower lows, lower highs. Make sense, everybody? Some of you went long in here because, oh, it made a higher high. This is a higher high, but it's not relevant. This is the relevant one. And again, from a bigger picture, this is another, not to mix apples with bananas, this is another tradable pattern. Okay, for the Bitcoin guy, open on JForex, everybody. JForex, crypto. You have cryptos here if you want. Remember, this is no trading advice, this is no investment advice. Make sense, everybody? And if you want to check how to trade cryptos or whatever, Ethereum, BAT, whatever, Bitcoin, there you go. Okay, this is Bitcoin. Give it a second, everybody. Victor, boss, the structure must be obeyed. There is no right or wrong, Victor. There is no right or wrong. Short-term traders or day traders, they are not going to follow in trading, not talking about the analysis, but in trading they are not going to follow the weekly and monthly structure, the wave. Make sense? When they analyze, yes. When they trade, maybe not. So this is Bitcoin daily chart, everybody, and if you go click on add indicator, if you ask me, super trend is a great indicator. Okay, you can put add, right? And everybody, I would not recommend trading cryptos. Okay, if you ask me, I would stay with the Forex market, but somebody asking, okay, so Bitcoin is still down according to the super trend indicator. Okay, and most likely we are locked in, most likely, pure speculation from my side, most likely we are locked inside this channel, you know. No, I didn't analyze. This is the first look, you know. Make sense? It's bouncing up and down, you know, up and down, up and down. Okay? And pay attention to the Federal Reserve interest rate. Looks like not a guarantee, pure speculation. This is not trading or investment advice. Looks like Bitcoin is reacting to the interest rate. A little bit of fundamental conversation right now. Ramesh, when it's near the previous low, we need to wait. It holds or breaks. Ramesh, there is no right or wrong, everybody. Okay? There is no right or wrong. Don't you let everybody, listen to me. Don't you let anybody to tell you, oh, you should do this and you should do that. There is no right or wrong. A scalper is going to trade differently than a day trader. A day trader is going to trade differently than a swing trader. A swing trader is going to trade differently than the news trader. Make sense, everybody? Somebody is going to wait for the retracement until the trend line. Somebody else is going to trade this daily candle, which is still forming, is going to trade from one pivot point to another pivot point. Make sense, everybody? And there is no right or wrong. Both traders can win and both traders can lose. There is absolutely no right or wrong. And here is the why. As Mark Douglas said it best, probabilistic thinking, you are going to learn with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 trades. If you know what you are doing, or you are going to learn that maybe you don't know what you are doing, right? Still good news. Still good news. But there is no right or wrong. Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow with another Forex trading week. Remember, we are going to trade this week. For tomorrow, I want you to prepare your trades. Okay? Tomorrow, I want you to tell to me, AUD CAD short, AUD USD short, whatever may be the case, Canada CHF long, you know, whatever. Don't be afraid, everybody. And remember, without courage, you are going nowhere. This is your pastor, FXFreedom, telling you. Your padre, FXFreedom, is telling you, without courage, you are going nowhere. I want to be free, you know, I want to get out of my job. Without courage, you are going nowhere. That being said, everybody,